In this video, I'm going to show you how I pop my back in 2 places with a yoga wheel. Do not try this at home. What's up? It's your girl Aisha here, the dog owner here at Diaper Dawgs, where we make cloth diapering more sanitary with less hassle. And on this channel, we're helping rebel mamas just like you defy normal by making green and sometimes unpopular choices. Today, I'm showing you how I stretch and pop my back, and it feels so good. Okay, fam, so here's the dealio. I work at my desk like 8+ hours a day, and I know that's not healthy, and it has finally caught up to me. I have to continually stretch and pop my back. It's insane. Like, the tightness is unreal, and I do exercise, but like I said, I'm at my desk most of the time. So basically, when you pop or crack your back or your knuckles, your toes, whatever, basically it's just air escaping. Think of it like your bones are just farting, right? And there used to be like an urban legend where, like, if you popped your knuckles too much, it would cause arthritis. Do you remember that? I remember that. But that has long since been debunked. It's just air escaping. But there's something about that air escaping. I think, don't quote me, go check on Google for this, but I think when you pop or you crack your knuckles, it releases some sort of like endorphins or whatever that just feels really good. With that said, I do have various methods of popping my back. I used to just do the whole like twisting a chair, or I would put my arms back and just quickly go like that and it would pop. Or sometimes my husband would just come in and press on it, but he's not here all the time. He does do the best pops for me, so I had to find other methods, and I did. I found the yoga wheel. So basically, a yoga wheel is just a very sturdy piece of plastic, and it has like this rubber cushioning right here. And people just use it to stretch out and roll their back. Now, you could buy like a single wheel just like this, or there are companies that sell it in 3 sets. Now, I will link a yoga wheel set down below if you're interested in checking that out. But I use this to pop my back, and it is amazing. I bought this just for some sort of yoga pose I was trying, and I got a good deal on it. But since I'm not doing yoga anymore, clearly, I still use it to pop my back. I think I fell on it one time, and it popped, everything cracked, and it was so glorious. It was like, do you know, like, when you open a box and it has that popping filler paper? Like, it was so glorious, and ever since that happened, I have been using this to pop my back. So, with that being said, let's dive in and let me show you how it's done. Just so I don't forget, if your back is fused with metals and plates and pipes, you ain't gonna want to do this, okay? So please use your common sense. Oh, we cool, okay? So let's get into it.
So the first thing I like to do is center my back within the middle of the yoga wheel, and then I just go up and down, and I do this to kind of warm my back up to get ready to be popped. And then when I feel like I am loose enough, I inhale and raise my back up, and then I fall abruptly onto the yoga wheel while it's in the center of my back. Now, as I'm going down, I am exhaling. And for some reason, when you exhale, it kind of puts your bones in just the right place so that when the back of your spine hits, it creates that pop. And after I get the pop in on my lower and my upper back, I do even more rolling, and this time I extend my arms all the way up, and this feels so good. And then once I extend my arms up, I kind of just let my weight fall onto the wheel. Again, the wheel is positioned right on my spine, and the weight, again, it feels so nice. And then when I'm done, I roll myself into a seating position, like a butterfly position, and I stretch forward. Now what that does is when I lean forward while my legs are inward and I have that butterfly pose going on, it actually pops my tailbone. And then when I'm done, I do the traditional twist to the left and to the right, roll my shoulders out, and then I'm done. Now, if you do not have a yoga wheel, there is a hack you can do, and that is getting a towel, any terry towel that you own, and roll it up really tight. Roll it up so that it forms a very tight roll, and so it kind of looks like a massage roller. And you're going to put this towel down on the floor, and you're going to hug yourself until the tips of your fingers are kind of touching your shoulder blade. And then you position yourself above the towel. You breathe in, raise yourself up, and then you abruptly kind of slam your body, your back down on the towel. And as you're doing that, you do the same thing, you exhale. And you should also be able to get a pop or a few cracks out of that. But that's if you don't have a yoga wheel and you don't want to get one. I do recommend the yoga wheel because it gives me more cracks than the towel method. So let me know in the comments, what do you do to pop your back? Do you use a yoga wheel too? Do you use a rolled up towel like I just mentioned? Or do you have some other weird trick that you definitely need to share with me? Go ahead and tell me down below.
And if you like this video, make sure you hit your girl up with some thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss another video from me, because I kind of like hanging out with you and I hope you feel the same way. As always, thank you for watching, and remember, keep defying normal.